And happened to be there, so we got to grab her and give her a hug and just congratulate her on just something so amazingly done. Like, they've done such a great job.
Yeah, they really
We're gonna call this golf cart conversations. You know how they do the taxi cab thing? Yeah, this is like we're on a golf cart and we're like having this.
I have to quiz you or something.
We're gonna have a deep conversation right now about something.
Or some music's gonna start. We have to start singing.
Yeah, exactly.
Right? It's called something Cart Karaoke. What's it called?
Golf cart karaoke.
Golf Cart Karaoke. Okay, so where's the music?
Except for we're gonna get like impaled here.
I know, right?
Yeah, that would hurt.
We try to play nice with all the construction.
Okay.
All right.
Well, this guy's in a hurry here.
Slow down, buddy.
I know. People are coming across quite fast.
It looks good on my
There
side.
we go.
Looks good here.
All right,
Yes.
that's it. We're making a run for it.
We're making a run for it. This is so neat.
Isn't it fun? Oh, there we go. And we're beating them. So we
Hi,
have to
guys.
wait.
Hi, guys.
Bye.
Bye.
Oh, that's so funny.
I love this town.
Oh, isn't it lovely?
So do you live up here now?
I do now, yeah. I moved here a year and a half ago.
Because of this?
Wow.
To be a part of this.
And so did you find like a little apartment, a little house?
Oh, they're beating us.
Oh, you're beating us!
Wow.
That's not fair!
That is reckless
That's
driving.
illegal.
Reckless! Oh gosh.
You're funny.
You weren't brave enough to do that.
I was definitely not going to
You
do
value your job
that.
too much.
I do, and I have precious cargo, so.
We want those cupcakes.
Right?
That's so
funny.
cute.
Okay, thanks for the ride.
My pleasure.
Erin's wedding is September 14th.
Yes,
Here.
so I was actually emailing with her today.
Oh,
so
amazing.
I'm the front office manager, so I'm in charge
Oh.
of taking care of all the guest rooms.
So your official name
and
is?
I'm Stephanie.
Kelly.
Nice
Stephanie
to meet
Ken.
you. So nice
Nice.
to meet you both. Yeah, very excited.
Cool.
All right.
Yeah, we're excited.
Good. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye.